Hey, this is Edu Library. Welcome to our space. Today, on the Autodesk Revit course for construction drawings, you're going to learn how to design ground floor and first floor slabs for a two-story detached house. We're going to create the ground floor slab of the building. And once we're done with that, we also create the first floor slab of the building. We start with the ground floor. To do the ground floor, we have to go to level 0, which is the ground floor. If it's not already open, so I'm gonna close this tiles and go to view and then just click on tile views. I don't want it. I only want level 0, so I'm gonna click level 0 and keep the floor plan on my screen. Yeah. So what I do is I go to architecture, I go to floor, I keep it as architectural. Okay, I'm just gonna click that. Then for my ground floor, I'm gonna use a more detailed ground bearing, hardcore, concrete, insulation, screed. Right, so I'm gonna use all of this, the first one right here. Click on it. It's already picked my wall for me, so I'm keeping the pick wall option. So I'm just gonna click that. Let's click the wall, pick the wall, pick the wall, and just click accept. Right, so that is it created right there. If you want to see what it looks like, your 3D affords you that opportunity to see what you've created. So just pan around. Right. I'm gonna orbit. You can raise it up. You can see right here that is the slab that we created. Next, to create the first floor slab, we have to go to level 1, which is the first floor plan. So you have to click level 1 in order to create the slab. So I'm gonna go to architecture. I'm gonna select architectural floor, and I'm gonna also pick, I'm not gonna use this ground bearing floors. We don't need hardcore on the first floor, so I'm just gonna choose the suspended, or to go with the floor timber. That's fine, with 225mm joist. I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna pick the walls. Right, pick this wall. I need to be able to draw around the stairs. Click all the walls. This wall right here, make sure all the walls get closed. Zoom in. It's a wall there, it's a wall there. Right, what I'm gonna do is I need to keep this open, but it's not closed. The boundary lines are not well locked and closed. So what I can do is I can use the trim function. Okay, just select this trim function, this one, just click on it. I will select the lines I want to keep, and it's going to trim the third one. So I want to keep that corner and that corner, so it cuts that one. I'm going to keep this corner, so it cuts the one I don't need. So and then I'm going to accept it, right? And then you're going to ask me if I want to attach what's below. Don't worry, don't attach it. That's fine. Yes. Okay, so if I look at 3D, I'm going to see what I created. Look at it. I need to keep, I'm going to draw another one around here, because I need to keep this stairs open. Of course, if you want to climb the stairs, you're not going to eat in your head on the slab. So I need one more around here. So I do the same. I go to my floor level, so my first floor level, I click on floors, just use architectural, keeping that the same. I just need this area rectangle. So I'm going to click that one, that one, that one, and that one, and also use the trim function. Clip. I'm going to keep that. I want to keep that, so it gets rid of that. I want to keep that. I want to keep that. It gets rid of the other one. I want to keep this. I want to keep that. It gets rid of it. I'm going to say accept that. Don't attach it. Yes, that's fine. And then if I go on my 3D, I can see what it looks like. That's what I want.
Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Bye.